outside and being out in nature, I'm going to show you our gardens and what we do here to get ready for the gardening season. So the first thing we do is we get ready by taking all this yucky mess and making it something to work with. But we just got done cleaning out yesterday. We took out all the corn stalks and all the sunflower stalks, and it'll be in a couple weeks we'll get out here and start with our tillers. But we start planning out our garden. So that's one of the first things we do. We start planning it out and seeing where we're going to put things from year to year. Some crops we have to rotate. We do rotate our potatoes. And there's a couple other plants that we won't grow in the same section, like the tomatoes and peppers. We rotate those a little bit to have some different soil. So this is one of our gardens. It's 50 by 100. And then our rooster's saying hello. Actually, I think it's competing roosters. They're both saying hello. So we have two gardens. This one is 50 by 100, and then this other garden is a little bit smaller. It's only like 60 by 40. So not truly small, but we do end up growing most of our things, or our fruits and vegetables, over there. This garden, mainly we grow our sweet corn, potatoes and squash, and our field corn out back. And field corn we usually plant 2 weeks prior to sweet corn because they will cross-pollinate if we don't. So we're going to go over this way. I'm going to show you the other part of the garden, or the other side of our garden. So yesterday we cleaned out all the asparagus, the dead debris, all the extra weeds and things that were in here, and we cleaned out the strawberry patch, and all of that, those were in these two rows, and we just take that and put it into either a compost pile or to our bird pile, and we get rid of all that. And then in a couple weeks we'll be out here tilling up the soil more. There's a lot of compost and things that we throw in here, fertilizers, which are natural fertilizers, which is manure. We throw that in here to keep it healthy. But what I want to talk to you about is that this is on a, I would say, medium-sized scale as far as gardening goes. We do try to grow almost all of our own vegetables, but you can do any kind of gardening at home. You can do a small garden, like a 5 by 5 little garden, and you could start out with just lettuce, tomatoes, peppers, a little bit of small fruits and vegetables area that you could grow some of your own vegetables yourself. And it's just something fun to do. It's fun, something to get outside and not always be cooped up inside. Today's a beautiful day. Good excuse to walk outside and maybe take a walk around your own property and see where you might be able to start a garden. So this is just like an introductory video, just to kind of give you an idea of where you can start. This is not where you'd want to start, is on this scale, but you could start out, look around your yard, take a look around and just see where you think you could best start a garden. And it would be that little patch of area. And if there's nothing tilled up yet, which is tilling up the soil, getting it cultivated, just look at a spot and say, hey, this might be a good spot, has lots of light, lots of sun, that maybe I could put in a little garden. But you're not going to want to do that until the end of May. But right now is where you would think about, I need to get that soil ready. So my first assignment for you is just to get outside and check out your yard and see where that spot might be that you might want to start your first garden. That's it for today, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.